Everyone, how you doing? So Peter Franks has asked me to take a look at his marketing. So I'm going to do that now to make sure I get it done. Might talk about some of this on the call today. I'm going to make sure I'm showing the right page, the right screen. Right, here we go. So this is Peter's stuff. So we're going to have, first of all, I'm just going to try and imagine I haven't seen Peter's profile before, right? So I'm just going to scroll.
They all laughed at my idea. This $70 check proves them wrong. Want the same shortcut? Get my free ebook below now.
Okay,
They
well,
all
that's good.
laughed at my idea. This $70 check proves them wrong. Want the same shortcut? Get my free ebook below now. They all laughed at my
The
idea.
only thing,
This $70 check proves.
if I'm being very, very, very picky, is my until they saw my check and it's not Peter's check, it's Paul Hutchins' check. That I don't think there's anything intrinsically wrong with that, but that's why when I did the demo video, I used a picture of Paul Hutchins. But I mean that is interesting, okay, and it's great, and that would make me look. Would it make me necessarily click now if I'm brand new, never seen Peter before? There's a good chance that somebody new could think scam, right? So you're asking me, we are asking people, right? But we're asking people that don't know us to put their trust in us enough to enter and to see if it will overcome their skepticism of it being a scam. Right. This is good, but the text is too small. Can't really read it without looking. On a phone, that's probably going to be impossible, right? But good messaging, right? Now again, if I don't know Peter, I don't know the industry even, right? We'll talk about maybe audience in a minute. Audience. Okay. For years, I believed the two would get two story. What's that sound like? Pyramid scheme, right? Now, if my target audience is network marketers, affiliate marketers, online marketers, that's fine. If it's people outside of that, something to think about because again, that could scream scam, right? So, but as a piece of marketing, I think that's okay.
We downloaded the free ebook,
no
The
more
Residual
hustle.
Income.
Now we're earning a monthly recurring income. Pays weekly, keeps paying.
Very grateful.
Okay, again,
We downloaded the free.
intriguing. I like it. Comment info, right? Like it. So 3 people have liked it, 2 shares, no public shares. Right, so Peter shared it. Right. So the thing is, at the minute, there's no real engagement on any of these. So they're 3 and they're okay, but it's 3 in a row. Right. I like this. This is now. Why is this important? Because it's very easy to just do promotion, 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 promotion. I fall into the trap every now and again. We want to do something different. Right, so they are good posts, and you got 4 likes on that, and you got different people liking it, which is brilliant. Right, now, if you want to get really good at this, right, what you could do is you could go and make sure you follow these people. I don't know if you know these people, Peter, but Stella, Brian, Mark, Matthew, go and like, share, comment on their things, keep that relationship going. Facebook will go, oh, we ought to show more of Peter's stuff to them. So they might be just checking out the, the nice stuff or the funny stuff, but they should be seeing this. Okay, so Zahid Khan, I don't know Zahid, and Peter, right? I like it as well. I already like that one. Got the badge. Peace of mind is the real success. Yeah, I like it. I'm surprised that didn't get any.
I can't believe how much it all cost.
I know, it's outrageous.
We really need to reconsider.
You're right.
I can't believe how much.
Okay, this is good. I like that. Who's like that one? Magnus Henry. Right, so that one got some engagement.
This was a smart move.
Absolutely. The steady income is such a relief.
So, Peter, these are good, right? And the retirement.
I'm sorry, but we can't afford it.
Oh, okay.
We'll find something else.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but we can't afford it.
These are speaking straight to people's pain
We'll
points.
find.
I love it. I can't read the text though. Well, I can, but do you know what I mean? Retirement doesn't look like it used to because it's black text on a black sweater. Another way, there is another way, one that doesn't require ST. Can't read the rest of that. Follow for Khan. So do you see what I'm saying? Now the thing you can do there, maybe I'll cover that on my next time I do a video, but you can actually put that text on a background. So you could put a box behind it so it stands out, or you could put an outline around it. So And again, I like, so Peter, you're on the right track
I
here.
can't believe how
So bottom line, what's missing? Malcolm, Stella, so I'm guessing they're friends. Ailsa Mac. These are nice. I like these. Right.
look at all these. They're all past due.
I see.
Right. So let's come off screen. Well, no, let's not come off screen. So these are going to appeal to a certain type of person, aren't they? Which is fair enough. We talk about audience a lot. Are you engaging on anybody else's audience? Network marketing over 50. Let's try that. Let's just see if there is a group or anything. And with the, HBA isn't network marketing, but it speaks to network marketers, right? People looking for network marketing opportunities now. You've got 23,000 members. Network marketing opportunities. You've got 3.7 thousand members. Promote your business. These nobody really. You could use the. I mean, they haven't even put a cover graphic on. I won't bother with that. It's just going to be rubbish. But you could join this group, and then if you come to people, there's your 23,000 members. Okay, so you got your friends will be on here. Okay, then you got your friend members with things in common. See all. So this would be a great place to start, where you could go and you could look down the list. Right now, it might seem a bit harsh, right? Up to you, right? If they haven't got a profile picture, right, I tend not to bother. Okay, just don't. Okay, when it's a cartoon, I guess it's questionable, right? But you should have people with things in common as well. They're a good place to start. Then what you can do, if you just want to, if you want to do it the proper way, what you do is you kind of start at the top and you might go, Rick L. Ross, have a quick look. So he's in Florida. Right click, open link in new tab, right? Kevin Thomas, have a quick look. Pet photography, so that's why that's in, right? Open link in new tab. Gillian, open link in new tab. Danny, yeah. These are all like pretty good. These all seem like pretty good. Luigi, I think I used to speak to Luigi. He's probably been in a company together. See, his computer's slow. But anyway, you come down and you look, and maybe you go Thomas Norman, Susan Sanders. Maybe for some reason you're going like, no, it's not Susan, right? So it's a quick sort of snap decision, like no profile picture. If they're in Nigeria, you know, that sort of thing would tend to put me off. It shouldn't, okay, but you have to do something, right? But I mean, all of these so far seem pretty good. So then you can come and you've opened all these new tabs. Look, so now you can just come and have a better look. Legacy of Mastery and Manhood. He's not done any group posts, so you can view profile. He's not very active in that group. And he last posted in March. He's not active. No point. Kevin Thomas, new profile. Love working with dogs and cats. Now, if you've got dog, we've got 3 cats. You got an in, haven't you, straight away? January 31st, shared a memory. That's quite nice. Okay. Cedric was great. Is this Cedric?
What's going
Cedric
on,
Harris.
Internet land? It's your boy Sid coming to you live here from the lab here in Tampa. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've been on live here. Been actually in the lab working on things offline that have nothing to do with the internet. But I'm excited. I'm excited.
So you basically can come along and like he might seem like a good guy, right? So if I want to get a relationship going with Kevin, I need to engage on his stuff. So Facebook says to Kevin, you need to engage with Peter Franks. You need to come and check his stuff out, right? So that's easy enough because I can just click like that. You know, I might put Cedric as a great leader. Okay, John just dropped Agentic AI. That's interesting. Mimi slide. Okay, like need to check that out. Now, what's happening? Okay, you can do this like 10 minutes at a time. It doesn't take long. And I don't do enough of it, right? Honestly, right? Because I get busy and I'm doing stuff like this. I could be doing my engagement now, but I'm trying to help you guys get going, right? We did $1,000 yesterday, and then I think me and Eric both got $100 commission as well with HBA, right? Premium stuff coming in. So it was a $1,200 day yesterday, right? So we have kind of got stuff kicked and moving, right? But what have I just done? So Facebook have sent Kevin a message going, Paul Turner just like your post. They've sent him another message where Paul Turner's liked his post. And they've sent him another message in the notifications that Paul Turner commented on his post, right? I don't need to send a friend request or anything yet, do I? Right? Now, I've talked about 100 lists before, okay? Get pen and paper. Kevin looks like he might be a good guy. Write his name down, Kevin Thomas. That's all. And all it means is I can come back and check to see if he's engaged back, to see if he's commented on my post, if I don't notice it, or if I do notice it, you get a message that says Kevin Thomas just replied to your comment, then you can come back to your list. Is he one of the people that I've engaged with? Right? Now, what do I know about Kevin Thomas? I know that he's in people looking for network marketing opportunities now. So I know he's most likely selling a network marketing opportunity, right? But I know if he is, he's probably struggling for leads and sales. So what could help him? HBA could help him. I also know he's in that industry. He's probably going to be open to come into Peter's profile and seeing everything we talked about where there's a lot of pitching going on, right? So it's a perfect target audience, right? And you just do the same. So you come next to who was next? Gillian Hannah. So come look at Gillian. That was May the 1st. So need to view profile. That was the group, sorry. So view profile, she's in Australia. Well, that's okay. January the 11th, not super active, but they're nice pictures. Not her pictures, though, by the looks of it. And then before that is January the 11th. Okay, so she's not incredibly active, but you know, for the sake of maybe if you don't like this stuff, I don't know what she does. Okay, but she updated the profile picture. You never know, right? So for the sake of a few likes, maybe they'll comment. And the next one. So do you see what I'm doing? Putting the stuff out and hoping people are going to see it. Yes, but what's going to then make them want to check it out a bit more? This little bit of engagement. I mean, look at that. It's a beautiful house, right? There's a few of these down in Cornwall. I know I like them, but on the other hand, like everybody can see what you're doing. It's not private enough for me. So we're going to view profile. Look like he's in Salt Lake City. Posts. Happy birthdays, October 2025, right? So he's not putting any posts out, is he? So he's not active. So no, sorry, you're a goner, Danny. All right. My best day is today. Nice, I like it. Don't know where he is. November 16th, 2023. That might be a pin post. Let's just have a look. No, he's not active. So I'm going to get rid of him. There's no point trying to, communicate with people that aren't active. Thomas Norman, obviously into some sort of, I don't know, a lot of family stuff there. Probably a healthy thing. First impression. Oh, he's a business consultant. Wow. So he's going to try and sell you something for sure. So what, 2025, so he's Kangen water by the sounds of it. Told you it'd be a healthy thing, didn't he? You just get to know after a while. I just don't feel it. I'm just not getting a good vibe, right? So not him. Put up posts from Massachusetts. 21 hours, right? Welcome February. Don't know what that is. She's pitching the same. Look, she needs to do more because you can tell because there's no likes and comments, right? Yeah, and this is one of those deals I don't like, so I wouldn't bother there. So I've only really got like 2 decent people from that. Okay, but that doesn't matter, does it? Because it didn't take me long, did it? And if I did 2 a day, that's 60 in a month. And if I did 2 a day, the month after, that's 120. And I try and keep 100 names on the list when I'm in serious build mode, right? So there's that. Now, coming off screen, the last thing I would say, you're trying to get people the guide. That's fantastic. What if I don't want to get the guide? What if there's just something in me that is just like, is it a scam? I don't know this guy. What should I do? So you, like me and Eric, we will jump on and we'll just have a chat. And they're too long, to be honest, but people do watch them. And we're explaining. We tell our story. We talk, at the minute we talk about Exodus, talk about recurring income with HBA. I love the recurring, and Eric loves the high ticket, but we come together. you know, 'cause it works so well. We're focusing. There was too much noise last year with all the AI stuff, and it didn't work, and we've got the figures to prove it. So what we're doing then is we're putting more meat on the bone. Now, I know a lot of you don't want to do that stuff. I get it. Okay, but you can still use, like, if you go and get like InVideo or something like that, InVideo.ai, that will make a longer form video, and you can put stuff like that on. But it's not going to develop that know, like, and trust, is it? All right. So you can do shorts, and people do this with shorts. Totally AI. I totally get it. I use AI sometimes. Why? Because I can sit here, I can bang out like videos with AI. I don't have to, you know, the AI makes the video quicker than me recording it, right? So it's a big time saver for me, right? And often my AI outperforms me. But at the same time, you will see me putting stuff out on camera because it does build that know, like, and trust. And what I want is people to go, ah, he's like me, right? Only I could do it better than him. That's what I want as well. I want people to think that. So maybe, Peter, try and do a bit more like explainer. Why is recurring income important? You know, why is that? And if you don't want to be on camera, by the way, and do it that way, or get in video, you can actually stitch videos together. So you could go to ChatGPT, give me 5 reasons why people should have recurring income, right? Make 5 little 6-second shorts, put them all together in Canva. You just upload video 1, you upload video 2, you upload video 3, and it just puts, you can just stack them one after the other. Before you know it, you got 5 of those times 6, you got 30-second video, you know, and it still probably isn't quite up there. We're actually doing a bit of talking, a bit of explaining. But like I say, you can do it without, right? But if you want to be above average, right? These are the sort of things above average people do, right? Just the way it is. Okay, I'm going to crack on, but hopefully there's some insight for you there. All right, Peter. Catch you later.